Hey there! Frustrated with a router that's connected but no internet is in sight? You're not alone. In today's digitally dependent world, few things are more aggravating than having a router connected but no internet. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through a few practical and straightforward steps to restore your internet connectivity and have you surfing the web in no time. Step 1. Restart your router. The first step in resolving connection issues is often the simplest: restarting your router. Unplug the power cable from your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple act can resolve many temporary glitches as it allows the router to reboot and establish fresh connections. Wait for a few minutes for it to fully restart and check if the issue persists. Step 2. Check your internet service provider. Sometimes the issue isn't within your home network. Before diving deeper into troubleshooting, ensure that your ISP isn't experiencing outages or maintenance work. Visit their website or social media pages for announcements, or reach out to your ISP's customer support for verification. If there's an ongoing issue on their end, you might have to wait until it is resolved. Step 3. Verify physical connections. Ensure all cables connected to your router are secure and undamaged. Check that your Ethernet cable is properly plugged into both the router and the modem. Likewise, if using a DSL or fiber connection, verify that the cables are in working order and plugged in correctly. Loose or damaged cables may be the cause of your internet woes. Step 4. Update router firmware. Another common cause of connectivity issues is outdated router firmware. Access your router's settings through its IP address, usually found on a sticker on the router itself. Once logged in, check for firmware updates in the administrative settings. An updated firmware can enhance performance, security, and resolve connectivity issues. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Your router might be experiencing issues because of its DNS settings. To address this, change the router's DNS settings to a reliable public DNS provider like Google or Cloudflare. Access your router settings and modify the DNS server settings. Then save and restart the router. This step can often bypass DNS-related connectivity problems. Step 6. Check for IP address conflicts. Occasionally, IP address conflicts can lead to connectivity issues where devices on your network have been assigned to the same IP address. To resolve this, reboot all network-connected devices or manually release and renew the IP address by accessing network settings. You can also configure your router to automatically use Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP. Dealing with a router that's connected but has no internet doesn't need to be a headache. By following these steps, restarting your router, checking your ISP, verifying physical connections, updating firmware, changing DNS settings, and resolving IP conflicts, you can efficiently diagnose and fix the problem. Remember, these troubleshooting steps are designed to address common issues and may not solve all scenarios. If problems persist, contacting your ISP or seeking professional technical support might be necessary. With patience and the right approach, you'll have your internet connection back up and running smoothly. Good luck.